So I got the fire going here. It's a real nice one tonight, and it's the first one we've had actually for a couple of weeks because most of the locations we've been at have had a fire ban. And we're actually here in the Indian bread rocks of Willcox, Arizona. And as you can see, it is beautiful out here. The sunset just went down back behind these rocks here. And we're getting the fire going real nice here so I can get the grate right over top of the fire. And I'll get my iron skillet on there so I can roast my cauliflower and get the sausages and potato wedges on the grates. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and prep the cauliflower and the potato wedges so I can go ahead and get them out over the fire. And I'm going to start by just cutting out the core of the cauliflower here so that I can free up the individual pieces. Alright, so now that we got the cauliflower all cut up, go ahead and cut up my potato wedges. Now that I got all three ingredients prepped up, I'm going to go ahead and steam the cauliflower and the potatoes. That way they cook a lot faster when I have them out on the grill. And once I have the cauliflower halfway cooked, I'm going to go ahead and add my onions and cook them until they get translucent, and my garlic and butter. And then while the cauliflower and the potatoes are cooking on the grill, I'm going to throw on my sausages right onto the grates. Okay, so we got the grill grates on and the iron skillet's getting hot. I have it sitting right on top of the actual coals themselves. Really hot temp on there. Then all I got to do is just throw in my cauliflower and it'll get a nice sear on there. So, as you can see, I got an amazing sky above me for cooking right now. Sun just peeking up above the ridge over there. Moon's already out. It's dead quiet out here because we're in the middle of nowhere. But it is beautiful out here. We love these boondocking sites like this because you always get to see the best of the country when you're out here where no one else is. I can get the cauliflower in. I got everything here pre-seasoned. So I got my garlic, salt and pepper, some of my Campmaster seasoning on there that I showcased in another video. That's a mix of pepper, garlic, Himalayan salt, some hickory smoke, onion powder, really good mix. I'll put a link in the description below of that seasoning. And then I got my potato wedges here with just some garlic, salt, and pepper and oil. And this also has butter on there. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my sausages here right on the grates. So go ahead and get these on. Alright, so I just about got my cauliflower done here in the iron skillet, and my potatoes here are looking pretty good. As you can, it's kind of hard to see because the sun just set, but you can see the color that we're actually going for and the crispiness. So I went ahead and finished everything. Sausages and cauliflower turned out amazing. They got really nice color on them and smoky flavor to them. And the potatoes turned out pretty good as well. I'm letting them steam just a little bit longer with the cover on because a couple of them aren't quite 100% done. But yeah, for the most part, dinner turned out amazing tonight. And like always, I'll have the ingredients and instructions in the description below so that you guys can follow along and make this yourself at home if you're interested in doing some cooking out on the campfire. Or, you know, if you would like some pointers on how to do something like this or anything else for that matter inside, if you guys aren't able to cook out over the campfire right now. hit up the comment sections below in this video, and I'll answer any questions you guys might have. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off now, and I will see everybody around the next campfire. Have a good night, everybody.